Hi everybody, I'm Darcy's mother. Today I recommend a fishbone flower to you. The front and back of this pattern are the same pattern. 4 needles and 2 rows are a group of flowers. This flower shape is especially suitable for knitting scarves. We're now in scarf knitting season again. You can knit a scarf because the pattern is the same on both sides, and I'm going to show you how this works. The starting needle should be a multiple of 4 plus 1 needle. And then look at my row of flowers. This is the front line. The first one is knitting. Then knit. Wrap the thread around. Knit a pin, needle for upper needle. Pull the line down again. Knit 3 more times. A needle for the upper needle. Keep doing this loop 3 times. A needle. 3 hits. A needle. This flower piece has always been like this, 3 straight strokes. A needle is mainly at the beginning. Count this stitch as an edge stitch. Knit 1 needle at a time. The row of flowers to the back is 3 needles, 3 next needles. And look at the flowers at the end. I finished knitting a set at the end. This is the next 3 needles. Knit another needle 3 times. And then you knit one side. If you were to knit a scarf, what about this edge needle? We need to deal with it like this. Wrap the thread around. The last stitch is not knitted. Pick it up to the right needle line like this. Pull it down like this. Okay, what about after turning it over? First knitting lower half needle. This is how to knit a scarf. What if you knit? Don't handle this edge needle like this. Look at this edge of the knitting scarf. It's very neat and tight. No slack. Okay, that's line 2. What about the flower type in the second row? And the first line, he diverged. Let's see how to arrange the flower weaving 3 times first. A needle, you can also say it's a scribe. It is also possible. An upper scribe. Okay, pull it down. Keep doing this loop 3 times. Scribing of upper needle. It goes on and on and on. It's the same as the weaving on the front row. The most critical part of this pattern is the arrangement of flowers. The row of flowers on the reverse side is directly the next 3 needles. 3 next needles, it's okay to say slip needles, 3 needles until the end. Just knit 3 needles. Also, you have to look at the sliding needle. That is, where is the needle? It is knitted in the middle of these 2 needles. Did you see it? No matter if he is tails or heads, you don't know where he is. If you want to knit this flower needle, so it looks like 3 upper needles. Knit a lower needle on each side. Just knit the flower needle for this needle. 3 down. Take a flower needle. It goes on and on and on. This pattern is finished. No skill, only this row of flowers. Anyway, the noodles are woven with the same pattern. What about the end of the second line? Just knit 3 needles. 3 lower needles. And the last stitch is the knitting. If you knit a scarf, you put it. Take it out like this and don't knit it. What if you knit normally? You knit it like this. Just knit the close with a needle normally. What if you knit a scarf? You just pick it off and don't knit it. Is that so? When you take the first stitch on the front, you need to knit the lower half of the stitch. So this pattern is finished. This pattern starts at a multiple of 4. Add 3 more stitches. Then add 2 side needles. But you're talking about multiples of 4. It is also possible to add a needle. That's it. You can knit sweaters. What about this flower shape? It also looks good to knit a big casual sweater. So that's it for today. Do you like it? If you like it, collect it.